Already talking to them people, so I gotta deal with them. Clip was too short, so I had to go extend it. Bitch, I'm out the game, please don't make me steal. Niggas, your clique full of bitch niggas, they know that we build different. Oh yeah, I'm built different, yeah, Key, he build different. Ooh, KG, I'm built different. 700 trill, nigga, they know that we build different, gang.
A purple app, give him a lift with the driver, out the woods with the stick on course like Tiger. Shotgun, pick up the backpacker, he's a hitchhiker. Messing with the blade, but I always finish what I started. For my work I'm well paid, this artist ain't starving. I can take a stencil and blade and take it to the spaghetti melon. Okay, I'm through carving. Okay. He can try to get away from me breathing heavy above the jeans he begins to pant. I'm holding expired cayenne, he going off on a funky ass tangent, so I bring Old Spice to deodorants. And I keep all my clean cream underarms like Tootsie, pimp on the stroll. I got nothing but work for this wussy, so if you catch me, Lindsay, a low-headed ain't trunk grabbing a pussy. And I load up the pistol while singing my girl and thinking of murderous temptations. I can invite you to a place to rest, aggressively split your neck and bury the body to lower placation. Yo, I had to put the backpack up. It was a hostile situation. I have a literal intent to kill. Camping outside with a katana blade. I said a literal intent to kill. A literal intent to spill blood and feed these babies with the can. Infamil. Step on your feet. Step on your feet and be a monster to your toes. Lamisil, power tool in pill form, motherfucking Benadryl. Grab it like an inch to kill. In other words, nigga, I'm grabbing the steel.
That was slick. That's right. That was about it.
I lost some weight since my last Bloodline card, and it was easily done. Bodybuilding, heavy metal, lifting to stay young and protected from my loved ones. So go ahead and test me, because I'm into fitness. Fitness clipping to a gun.
Oh my God! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Fitness clipping to a gun. Hectic the backpacker, the whack rapper backslapping. Nigga, you backslap me, you backslap me, sky rap they can't see you catching a bat to the knee. The backpack is a whack rapper for me to be a 100p. So for that mindset, serum to the neck. I'm putting your old ass to sleep. Sneaking a laxative in your herbal green tea. Corrupt your metal use with a cup and a half of pee. Ooh. I just want to come to his house, not too loud, it's 7:30 and this old nigga might be asleep. I just want to Sweeney this time. What the fuck does that mean? It means I'll give him a straight razor shave for making his neck leak. Listen, scrub. Home assassinating takes a little TLC, so after a B&E with the beam, I gave their house a red, light, show, and the neighbors want to see the Kodiak peep, so I creep. Oh, Google ass nigga. Oh, Google ass nigga, you a low-budget rollerblade, looking like a cheapskate. Plastic Glock 9 I got for the low. Treat him to a value meal, he a cheap date. Introduce him to Nina real quick. This bitch like to speed date. A negative in a pot over high heat. Nigga, I'll have your blood boiling off your back. So for this dog, I'ma conduct like a vet. Detect insects that I find a wet. Hey, I handle ants, fleas, ticks. Hey, ticks can get the bloody backs cat.
Bro, think about it.
That was nasty. Soldier in basic training. If the SGT drill you won't be kept at ease. I hire black assassins to post in oak branches with desert ease. And if you want to let the plot thicken like gumbo, then it's a proceed from Dumbo. I'ma have aiming a nigga bird smoking in the trees. I like that. Aiming at you, a nigga bird smoking in the trees. You say that I'm light, but with how I write, look at my complexion. Old ass nigga, that is a double entendre. You never too old to peep a lesson, so peep a lesson. If you got bars and I'm a barber, well I ain't got bars, bitch, I got connections. And you got a skull for each one to have a bar to bury in. Okay.
I said they all come to me when they want to test their pen. Well, your MC training is in session then.
Hold it down, hold it down.
So let's begin. I said it before, and I'll say it again. These new niggas want smoke, but I don't feel these niggas. But if me and this JAri3s got a war, I'ma kill these niggas. Yo, I was listening to you spitting in your little rap verse. Talking about if you backslap me, nigga, I'm the whack rapper backslapping. You gotta be whack first.
Tell this nigga.
This is Baton Rouge. I really can't put it past y'all, but the last y'all seen this nigga with a round through the tube, this nigga was watching NASCAR. Facts, y'all. So if you told y'all he was out here getting packs off, I'm mad he gassed y'all. Because we all know King Julian was supposed to cast out the lion. Mad gas. Nigga is trash, y'all. Why y'all give me him? Cause he stinks like...
What he stink like?
When you throw up unclean chitterlings. No! He stinks like...
This nigga stink like?
Them same chitterlings soaking in a bucket of hairy sweat. No! He stinks like...
What this nigga stink like?
Your wife and kid when their hair gets wet. Fuck this nigga! We are not at all alike. Bad comparison. You don't lack in melanin, but your fat is gelatin, nigga. That's hilarious. Nigga, I am a higher bracket champion, so when I brag, he panicking, cause he can't show boat, cause he got too many holes in his crab to carry him. So this Pisces gonna make Zodiac irrelevant. You think you Scorpion from Mortal Kombat, I'm Xing them, which means that one punch will crack your skeleton. But if that ain't scaring them, for that bull, I bought the Taurus, hollow tips in a bag to catch him in. So when the gat is drawn, I'll cap a corn and leave a lack of evidence. He got kids of Anglo-Saxon parentage. I mean, I looked at your kids and was like, oh, your wife must have went ahead and smashed the Zimmerman, nigga. Which tells me that you really just a virgin. With everything coming from your mouth, pussy, a vegetarian. Trying to tip the scales to out-rap a veteran, but you have the swag of mannequins with the mannerisms of the cream fillings inside faggot sandwiches.
Talk to this nigga!
The cream inside faggot sandwiches, meaning he has twin faggots ramming him. FYI, Gemini, that's the twin. Aries, that's the ram him, nigga. I might as well leave him pouring out his jug. That's Aquarius. In between your rounds, you be lying in massive manuscripts and crap that barely hits for man that's half-assed. A Sagittarius.
Versus Cox. What a penis contest.
Joseph Cox, bro.
Joseph Cox, the number 3. You look like Applebee's from Black Eyed Peas. You're not from ACLO, Connecticut. You're from the Phil IP, but you sway your ankles hard like a square of concrete. I bet you sound happy over a walkie when you speak, quick to give a Jolly Roger like first Mike Smith. 62% British. Found that out from 23andMe. So just know that this red coat is coming with a rusty bayonet to make this nigga bleed, or British tape with a laser pointer. How about a spot of tea? How about a spot of tea, your fish belly strumpet? I'll jam you up and break you off like a crumpet. Play this horn like a trumpet. The muzzle flash, different colors like 6 p.m. in the sky. Nigga, I got a clip full of sunset. What? I found out your dad and your dad's dad had the same name I did. I'm like, word. For the proper spin on your dad, 257 is preferred. So just know that this ain't sharing his name with this Mr. Cox the third. I bet you like another gun bar nerd. Well, I put these gun bars down, cut your fucking ears off and yell at him, you heard? He said he might fall asleep while I'm rhyming. When it's Jennifer Lopez, I've heard enough. Jigglypuff, lullabies is your only knack. When you freestyle, you have more dry spots than the Damager patch, more dry spots than Mrs. Sanders match, more dry spots than the Sahara Jack. I mean, Joe, you need to accompany yourself to stay away, Cole. Try to dish out the evil of a line and take it back like repo. Well, I'll take it past rap and take blame for your death. The ram was a scapegoat. You got you and your friends out here looking poorly. Sounding like a chandelier, no, you more like a vagina. Mr. Cox is like LeBron, no, more like Courtney. But fuck the backpacker, he ain't shit. How does it feel to have to change the X? No, how does it feel to have to change the C to an X in your song called Hood Politics? Did Kendrick beat you to that name? Oh, you plagiaristic piece of shit, what a shame. Well, I got designated drivers with 220s that'll go for your up top swag. Turn your body light blue. This ain't tough talk, nigga, if you knew. I mean this with the utmost of kindness. I'll flash 2 files on both sides of your face. Solar flare causing blindness. Then stuff you underneath a mountain's face. That way you can really be Hillside's finest. Hillside's finest. I bet this old nerd has anime collector's items. And that's just my nerd's inspection. Well, I fucked up your action fingers and forget that I did this shit. Nigga, I wreck collections. You will be a strange fruit. Around your neck. What? You will be a strange fruit. Around your neck, a rope will be hung. When you speak, 8 Mile DJ deep, you spin that shit like a beetle rolling dung. I will shut you the fuck up for one. When fingers go across your teeth, like you applying coke to the gums. Or when you sweep, when I sweep with the broom, you be magically red in the air. Nigga, Victor Crumb, but this ain't a Quidditch match. Yo, this try to tell you, bro. What the fuck is you doing? When I sweep with the broom, you be magically red in the air. Nigga, Victor Crumb, but this ain't Quidditch with the yellow snitch. This is 007 with a language is never colorless. He thinks he's God's gift to battle rap. I'll leave him for Ellison, for Ellison. I'll give him a paintball round to the head and have him heaven sent. Zodiac, bitch. Alright.
Yo, period. Fly that shit.
That shit. I say yo. Yo, you did a whole scheme with the track list to my album. Nigga, that's how I know you hungry. But you stopped at if you really knew. If you would have texted the next track, you would have named a coma 220. But you also said that you're, what, 85% British?
62.
62? Well, nigga, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You just another black nigga we thought was white. 700. Fuck is this nigga, bro? shit. Y'all ready? I said, vision, tone, vision, tone, vision, tone, vision, tone, vision, tone.
Hey, Ricky C, still
Hey,
shit.
vision, tone, cap. All facts, do them different, don't crack. You lose your vision, tone snap, true diminish, no cap. The new Avengers, all black. True ninjas, I'm truly hitting like true religion. I'm truly spitting, dude, I'm getting this dude. Written with euphemism, I'm ripping this, I'm flipping this. Think I am a lyricist, and you is just a little bitch that's milly bobbing like a little bitch. Y'all like anime bars? Yeah! Well, fuck it, let me try some. Cause if this guy run, I'ma have a metal cross his back. Trigun, nigga. Yeah! Don't know shit crazy! Nigga, you are goofy. You always talking about you got a gun, pull it out now, nigga. Shoot me. Wait, you can't, because it only exists in a loose leaf. This nigga tripping, but at the same time, my ball's the truth, and you can feel these punches from across the room. Luffy. I gotta overemphasize that I am not about gun bars, but guns, oh heck about it. Boy, I got a gun that'll match every outfit. When you say you got that metal arm grip, but the truth is, hold up. Hold it down. Yo. I say, I got a gun to match every outfit, but you keep the metal arms grip in every round, but the truth is, you never spark it. But that'll get a brother with a hollow shell. Edward Albrecht, nigga, you ain't
Talk that out to me.
nigga, look.
They don't know shit about
Yo, they don't know nothing about it. Man, you think this brotherhood? Man, he just a bitch. Boy, you ain't even a real nigga. Homunculus. Oh my God. Nigga, you lived your whole life unchained. In other words, you've been lying about the trap. But my flow is untamed. Think Colonel Mustang, cause it's fire when I snap, nigga. Nigga, come on. Talk, nigga. Talk. I said, well, we gonna go ahead and make this a movie. Cause this spot is scenic. And I'm like, all I need to do is get a couple rounds to squeeze them and stop the breathing. It's Hank vs. Jules. And y'all wondering where the conflict's leading. How ironic. Y'all go popcorn and drinks just to watch me eat them.
Oh my God. That's nasty.
These niggas gonna try to cut my time to stop the beating. But all my cuts with time. So it's nothing you can take to stop the bleeding. And I didn't even have to bring a shovel here. Because the league gave me the props I needed so I could dig a hole for him in his own backyard. Nigga, that's called plot convenience. And check this out. I studied the Zodiac Killer. Google shit, right? And I found a story that had never been told. Because he had claimed that he left several codes, but then the medical evidence showed that someone else took their soul. So you just like him. In other words, you always trying to get props that you never were owed. I mean, come on, nigga. You ain't got balls, nigga. They call you Zodiac because you claim bodies that ain't yours, nigga.
And he over here making a big scene. Y'all give him admiration inspiration, just walking in for free. Al Johnson, Christina Milian, you obviously see love to across the thing.
Okay.
I said, shove a katana into your chest, pull your heart along with the sword out, then decapitate you, holes in your neck resemble a short spout. I call that move cutting lettuce. Somebody asked me why.
Why?
Because before you chop the head, you gotta take the core out.
Talk that shit! Talk that shit!
Cook, nigga!
Talk to me! Before you chop the head, you gotta take the core out. I got a murderous motive to commit the murder with Joseph. Thoughts turn to action with words unspoken. I'm with the killing joke, the murder business. Call me Mr. J, but I ain't the joker joking. I'll take your life as a token of your commitment foreboding to the game that we've chosen. Disregard the lies and the webs that you have woven. Only to gain a prize that you forever stolen. So just know that I come through rolling like a hard body bowling like a Pokemon golem. Only to whip 5 from the belt on this nigga. I feel Jackson Joseph. Aljo Jackson Joseph. I write my own shit. A ghostwriter for me was never fantasized. I'm not a rapper, but glasses, jacket, shirt my size. You think you can spin some super hot fire rhymes and everyone's gonna be satisfied? You talking all of this shit but you know what? With a response I chose not to dignify. The way that you write while you're being alive, being in Louisiana, so I can really witch doctor some shit, give you a jugular slit and command your ghost to write my alibi.
Oh,
You bring that, you come with that biblical shit along with the gas. Well, I got some biblical shit for your ass. The Joseph I'm thinking of in the Bible was a slave turned royal kiss ass. So why would I take any crap off of you or your crew, royal colostomy shit bags? I'll bring gravity to your bitch's chest, a wall with sunny side eggs, make your tits sag. Bring up the past and open old wounds. I like to pick scabs, headshot, pow! The hit pits his head down with the fast smoke like a quick dab.
Oh, okay.
The hit fits his head down with a fast smoke like a quick dab. My thoughts full of sin will make an angel sick. He's catching hits to the left. See how many pods through Santi. I'm giving him his last rites real quick. The hits hit him so hard that the wind makes his ribs split. And if he should show any resistance, then I'm shooting him from a distance. I'm putting an end to his shit. Codename Jesus, Mary Magdalene. Means I washed him from a couple of feet just for kicks. I can just for kicks. I can see me loading up right now while he talking. I aim the gun. He turns to run, but my adrenaline make it look like he walking. I shoot down. His knees took the hits. Now he falling. I shoot the back of his head. Took damage. Cerebral hemorrhage. Joseph Cox died like Joseph Stalin. But fuck! What a hectic ass week. Nah, I'm supposed to set this up. Hectic week as fuck. If you speak it tough, I'm come screeching up. Attack you while you was washing up with your squeaking up. Attack your kids, cure a strong one, tie the weaklings up. You talk about causing pain, well, I'm gonna show you the meaning of. When I demand to be cashed up, directional with the blade, have you at knife point, slice you if you ain't speaking up.
Go. Okay.
Slice.
Yeah, that was nice. Hey, that was nice. That was nice.
Keep rapping.
Slice him if you ain't speaking up. And at this point, the backpacker's heart rate is hectic as fuck. Freestyle's overwritten, nigga. You a one-trick pony.
Right.
You ain't no threat, bitch. Family Guy reference. You a big fat phony. I'll cut you down like grain, stuff you in a box, rice-a-roni. Headshot, bacon noodle, bow, rigatoni.
Say it again.
Headshot, bacon noodle, bow, rigatoni. Aries masked up. Aries got Hokage straight, masked up like Toby. Take a kunai knife to your temple, push it in slowly. You got a personality like O'Neal, but you shoot shots like Kobe. How about I slice your head to the floor, hack a shot? How the free throws be? But y'all don't know that my words are full of anger and full of danger. Y'all didn't like that Kobe line, so I'll bring the chopper around and leave you on a cliffhanger. Each one to connect the cut. Aries above shot. Aries above shotgunning them up. I said you can get a couple of Joe, but you can afford these Starbucks. I'm not excited to battle you no more, bruh. I wouldn't even flinch if this star struck. You know what the moral of the story is, bro? You focus on coming up with something off the top of your head instead of focusing on the nigga coming off the top of your head. My bars take up like a Zodiac, I make you bounce with a wave of a non-jumping jacks. I'm VSOP. You say Kodiak is going straight to the head of every plan attack. Zodiac, nigga.
Because once you got it all down, that's all you be speaking like. Boy, I got a gun so big.
How big is it?
It'll have them walking on water. Bow! Jesus Christ! I mean, nigga! You the type of nigga, your nickname should be Mr. Talk So Soft, then yet so loud. Mr. Got No Guns, but it's a headshot. Bow! Wow. So fuck this dude. And everybody that fucks with dude, I will throw him clear off a cliff like a Huxtable. Yo! Clear, cliff, man, listen. Yo!
That's fine.
I will throw him clear off a cliff like a Huxtable. I came to kill a Mike. But he need a tune-up. So if I come with tools, even if Jules run, I'ma make him run the jewels, nigga.
Yeah.
Killer Mike run the y'all playing with me right now.
That's fire.
Yo!
Keep going, nigga.
Nigga, this shit here is surgery. I know you ain't never heard of me, but Hectic the Backpacka. This nigga getting that work from me.
Hello.
But he came from Louisiana, right?
Yeah.
So I guess that he can work with heat. So I got two big things flashing in your face. Like the Mardi Gras bitches on Bourbon Street. Nigga, but I'm on some disrespectful shit.
Okay.
Talk that shit.
So let me go ahead and start some shit.
Okay.
You know when they got married, huh?
What's T?
Julie and Jenny. Sound like a domestic partnership. Come on now.
No.
Go. Yo. How you go ahead and marry the fattest?
Oh.
Hold up.
What's T?
That's me.
Sloppiest.
What's T?
Stop it.
White cave bitch.
What else?
It's like you must hate yourself and they say that I'm racist. It's like you're looking for love in all the white places. Yo! But at least you ain't gotta worry about me trying to say I'll fuck you, bitch. Not only is she white, you ugly bitch. I mean, yo! This nigga don't know who he fucking with. At the end of the day, I gotta ask you. What do you think they being with a white woman and just come with white privilege? Good credit, suburban housing, fucking white fences? Do you just don't like sisters? Oh, I get it. You wanted your kids to come out light-skinned. But a thing mixed is a thing weakened. Where my team, man? Cause that's none of my business. Yo! This is what I'm talking about. I'm me, nigga. I am me. Nigga, watching you perform, it burns my eyes like hand sanitizer. Yeah! It burns my eyes like hand sanitizer. And I turn into Denzel Washington and put this man on fire. I didn't want to be the one to come here and make this man retire, but he got me feeling so bad, I'm gonna need a hug for coming to this nigga house and killing him. Amber Geiger. I mean, come on, nigga. You ain't got balls, nigga. Atlanta niggas know we don't ride that white horse, nigga. I ain't scared of him. My balls bury him. If you got balls, then I'm a barbarian.
You know I do, nigga.
Make some fucking noise, man.